Chapter 3, Circumstances which mitigates criminal liability. Article 13, Mitigating circumstances. All the following are mitigating circumstances. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the prospective cases not intended. Paragraph 2. The offenders under 18 years of age or over 70 years shall be proceeded against with the accordance to the provisions of Article 80. Paragraph 3. That those offenders has no intention to commit as a grave a wrong as that committed. Paragraph 4. The sufficient provocation or a threat to the party of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Paragraph 5. The act was committed immediately. Vindication of a grave offense to the committing felony delito, his spouse, ascendants, or relative by affinity within the same degrees. Paragraph 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation. Paragraph 7. To those offenders who had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Paragraph number 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering from physical defects which thus restricts his means of actions, defense, or communications with his fellow being. Paragraph 9. Such illness of the offenders as would diminish the exercise of the will power of the offender, however, without depriving him of the consciousness of his acts. Paragraph number 10. And finally, any other circumstances that similar nature or analogous to those above mentioned.